Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Binance to MetaTrader 5. All right, so let's begin with the video. So in order to connect MetaTrader 5 with Binance, you have to follow these steps. First, open the MetaTrader 5 app and go to the home screen. From there, tap on Settings in the bottom right corner, then select New Account. You'll be shown a list of brokers where you can search by name, and there's also an option to sign in using a QR code. You can try searching for Binance in the broker search bar, but keep in mind that Binance is not available as a direct MetaTrader 5 broker in all regions, and in many cases it won't appear in the list. If Binance provides you with a MetaTrader-compatible QR code through a partner or supported service, you can tap the QR code option, allow camera access, and scan it to log in that way. Otherwise, direct connection usually isn't possible because Binance primarily uses its own platform and not MT5 accounts. And that's it. So that's basically how you can connect Binance to MetaTrader 5. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.